Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying your iPad model and iPad OS version because the image playground requires modern APIs and hardware acceleration. Once done, install via TestFlight if the public app isn't available. TestFlight lets you run pre-release builds. Make sure to sign in with the same Apple ID tied to the invite or purchase and enable permissions for camera, microphone, and local files. These actions unlock backend features and accelerate image processing on device. You now install and open the Image Playground app, accept the TestFlight invite, or download the App Store release. When prompted, grant storage and camera permissions so the app can import and capture images and enable background app refresh for long tasks. Next, configure in-app model preferences. Choose low latency or high quality modes and set local cache size to balance disk use versus speed. Once configured, run a short sample generation to validate performance and avoid surprises later. You finish by running a full sample. Import a test photo, choose presets, and generate to confirm outputs match expectations. If processing is slow or fails, reduce the quality setting, switch to a smaller model, or clear the app cache. These steps free memory and often resolve hangs. If issues persist, reproduce the error, collect app logs from settings, and contact support with device model, iPad OS version, and log files. This helps engineers pinpoint the root cause quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.